In this session, we will look into Python lists. Python lists are created using square brackets. We create a list, age, with sequence of values. We check the object type with the type function. A list can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous list contains elements of same data types. Let us create a list variable, say age, with only integer type members. Now, let us create a list variable, say price, with only float type members. We create a list variable, say products, with string type values as members of the list. Because all the elements in the list are of same data types, we call it a homogeneous list. Let us look into an example of heterogeneous list. We create a heterogeneous list, say climate, with both string and integer type elements as members of the list. Let us now see how to retrieve elements from a list using index position. Note, to slice a string, we use square brackets. In our previous video on strings, we have seen how the index positions are numbered from 0. Same holds for lists as well. We slice the age variable, with start index as 0 and stop index as 5. Which means it will return the values from index 0 till index 4. If we have to start from the index 0, we need not specify the start index. In this example, we start at index 3 and stop at index 5. So, we specify the start index as 3 and stop index as 6. If we have to start at a specified index and go all the way till end, we need not specify the stop index. Note, slicing a list does not change the original list. We can see this with the print command. Let us get into the methods, which Python provides us to manipulate a list object. We can add a new element to the end of an existing list with the append method. We pass 55 to the append method and the value gets added to the end of the list. We also have the insert method, if we want to add a new value at a specified index position in the list. In this example, we add 75 at index position 2. Note that a list can hold duplicate values. In this example, we add 34, 27, 55 again, though these values already exist in the list. We can use the count method to find the number the occurrences of a particular value in the list. We can use the index method to find the index position of a particular value. Note, this method returns only the first occurrence of the value. The reverse method allows the elements in a list to be arranged in a reverse order. Note, reverse is not the same as sorting. To sort the values in a list, we use the sort method with reverse as a parameter. Let's see how it works. Setting the reverse parameter to false, we get the values sorted in ascending manner. With the reverse parameter set to true, we get the values sorted in descending manner. We are provided with two methods to remove elements from a list. One method is the remove method that accepts the value as an input parameter that is to be removed from an existing list. In this example, we call the remove method and pass 65 as the input parameter. The value 65 is removed from the list. In this example, we call the pop method and pass 1 as the input parameter, which denotes the index position. The value at index position 1 is removed from the list. Thank you. Happy learning!